Hello everyone, I am Rahul, and in this tutorial I am going to walk you through the DC sweep and the parametric sweep. So how does this work? So till now we have covered few analysis like DC analysis, AC analysis and transient analysis. If you haven't watched those videos, you can go check it out. Those are very useful videos. And today we are going to do the DC sweep and the parametric analysis. So for that I have this amplifier. Okay, so this one I'll replace with the DC source. So let's keep it 0.7 volt, although it is not required, but for the safe side I'm keeping it. Check and save. How to do DC sweep. For that, launch the ADE, go to the analysis, choose DC analysis, component parameter, and from here you can select the component parameter. So this is the one I want to sweep. I select this. Okay, so DC voltage. Okay, so if I re-look at the window, so it has come here, V2 and DC parameter. So I want to sweep it starting from 0 until say 1.8 volt. In sweep type I'll keep linear. Number of steps I'm giving around 500. Okay, and okay, so I want to plot ID versus VGS. So to plot ID, I set up the output setup, and I'll select that ID in that current terminal from the design. So click on this, and this is the positive terminal. So I click on this. So if you see this circle, so that means this node is selected for current. It will plot current. You can check it in the ADE window also. So here it will plot the current. So I'll run this and we'll see the output. Alright, so this is ID versus VGS. So VGS we are sweeping and we are looking at the drain current. Now what if I want to vary the VDS also? So what I'm trying to say, so this I'm already sweeping. Again in this another variable also I want to sweep. So here I want to sweep two variables. For that we'll do the parametric analysis. We need to provide this VDS. So what I'll do, the VDD is connected across this. So I'll make this variable and then I'll sweep it using parametric analysis. Click on this and make it say VP. Okay, and check and save. After that I open the ADE window, and in that I'll manage the variables, edit, copy from. So VP is here. VP, I'm giving some initial value, say 1 volt to this, and another variables are not required, so I delete these. VP is required. Now I'll do the parametric analysis. So I'll go to the tool, parametric analysis, and here you can find out the VP. VP is here. Okay, I want to vary it from 0 volt to 1.8 volt, and step mode is auto and total steps are 5. Okay, so I just run this, and what I'll get the plot between ID and VGS with different VDS. So VDS will have some 5 VDS. So I run this and wait for the output plot. Alright, so this is for VDS1, VDS2, VDS3, VDS4 and VDS5. So like that, so that's how we do the DC sweep and parametric analysis. So let me summarize this. So I can do one thing, I can provide the value X to this and I can sweep that, and I can also sweep the component value. So this is V2, I can sweep that V2 also. That's what I did. And for parametric analysis also I did the same. I have given some variable to it and then I swept it using the parametric analysis. So that's how we can vary various parameters in any simulation. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.